Hello and welcome to our 5th day in France. Today we are biking and hiking. We're about to leave, so let's go. Coming to you from the floor again. So it's 6:50. We are going to go down to the lake area again. I don't know what we're gonna do per se. Try to find a boat. I'm not sure if they're open though. And I'm changing right now. Our hike and bike was so nice. I really liked it, and it was really good exercise. And the weather was beautiful, and the hike gave some amazing views. So here is the evening look. I'm wearing this halter top, which was actually a one-shoulder top, and I made it into a halter top. It's from TJ Maxx, but it's originally from American Eagle. I don't know. TJ Maxx. And yes, you can see my swimsuit through it, but I don't really care. Shorts are thrifted, and then my espadrilles from Amazon. Look how fun these locks are. You can go like how fun.
Everybody lean over the rail at varying length.
Oh! Hello everyone, it's our 6th day here. We are going to Chamonix to go hiking and explore the French Alps at a higher altitude. We need to go. I'm dilly-dallying because it took forever to do my hair because it's so greasy and so disgusting. But we are leaving now. It is almost 9:45, so. We rode the gondola up here. It is very, very pretty. I have a great view of Chamonix, Mont Blanc, everything. It's lovely.